Welcome back. Today we're pitting two of the most discussed cameras against each other, the flagship Canon EOS R5 Mark II and the Fujifilm X-T5. While they might look similar in size, these cameras represent two completely different philosophies in the mirrorless world. Canon is chasing uncompromised professional performance, while Fujifilm is doubling down on the soul of photography and tactile control. The biggest difference starts here. Canon's massive 45-megapixel full-frame sensor versus Fujifilm's 40-megapixel APS-C sensor. Don't let the numbers fool you. Resolution is close, but the physical size of the sensor impacts everything from low light to depth of field. Canon uses a stacked CMOS sensor, allowing for a blistering 30 frames per second with virtually zero rolling shutter distortion. The R5 Mark II even features deep learning action priority mode that can recognize specific sports and predict player movement. And let's not forget Eye Control AF. You can literally select your focus point just by looking at it in the viewfinder. It's like magic. Fujifilm's AF is excellent for street and portraits, featuring robust subject detection, but it's a step behind Canon's elite sports tracking. But Fujifilm wins on the experience. These dedicated tactile dials let you change settings before you even turn the camera on. Then there's the color. Fujifilm's legendary film simulations give you a finished look right out of the camera that many pros adore. In the video department, Canon is a beast. We're talking 8K 60p raw internal recording and professional tools like waveforms. It also features a full-size HDMI port and optional cooling grips for those long cinema-style production days. The X-T5 is more photography first. It can do 6.2K, but with its micro HDMI port, it's better suited for shorter clips and social media. Look at the difference here. Canon is built for a deep grip and muscle memory, while Fuji is light, portable, and classic. Canon goes for a fully articulated screen for vloggers, while Fuji sticks to a three-way tilt favored by still photographers. To handle that 8K data, Canon requires expensive CF Express cards. Fuji keeps it simple and affordable with dual SD slots. Canon also packs a new trick, in-camera AI upscaling that can turn a 45-megapixel shot into a massive 180-megapixel file. Fujifilm counters with a 160-megapixel pixel shift mode for landscapes, though you'll need a tripod and a static subject to use it. Now, the elephant in the room? The price. The Canon R5 II is a professional investment at over $4,000. The X-T5 is less than half that price, leaving you plenty of budget for Fujifilm's excellent range of compact lenses. So who is each for? If you need the ultimate hybrid for sports and 8K video, the Canon R5 Mark II is the clear winner. But for most photographers who want a joyful, portable, and soulful experience, the X-T5 is an incredible value. Choose wisely.